Can you do this calculation in 5 seconds? 97 multiplied by 11. If not, this video is for you. During this video, you will understand the trick of multiplying any two-digit number with 11. In fact, we will also see calculation of multiplication of any three-digit number with 11 and much more. Well, have you got the answer so far? If not, let me tell you, the answer here is 1067. Now, this answer can be calculated within seconds. Let us see how. So, let's get started with our very first trick, that is to multiply any two-digit number with 11. So, let's take a very first example. We have to multiply 43 by 11. You know the answer? The answer is 473, just within seconds. Now, how can you also get the answer? Let us have a breakdown understanding of this problem one by one. So first, we want to find out how much is 43 multiplied by 11. So all you have to do is write 4 over here and 3 over here and leave a space in between. So what you have done, separated 4 and 3. What will come in between? You have to add these two digits. 4 plus 3. How much is 4 plus 3? It's 7. So write 7 in between 4 plus 4 and 3, and the answer you get is 473. I hope that's clear. Let's take another example. This time you try to solve it. What is 54 multiplied by 11? So what you have to do? Write 5 over here, 4 over here. And what is 5 plus 4? 5 plus 4 is 9. So you add 9 in between 5 and 4, which gives you the answer 594. Now, can we use another number? Let's say 36 multiplied by 11. Now, 3 and 6 we will write here. 3 plus 6 is 9, so we will write 9 in between. So the answer here is 396. Now, you might be thinking, okay, what to do if the addition of the two numbers is more than 10? Because till now what was happening is we took 43, we took 54, we took 36. When you add these two numbers, you get 7, you get 9, and you get 9 over here. Now all these numbers are less than 10. These are single digit numbers. Now what will happen if you try to add the two numbers and the addition goes beyond single digit? For example, if you have 67, you have to multiply 67 by 11. Now in this case, you will write 6 here, you will write 7 here. Now 6 plus 7 is actually 13. Now you cannot write 13 over here, it will be 6137, which will be incorrect. So what do? What you have to do is, this one that is coming out in 13, you basically, when you write this 13, you add this one to this 6 over here. So this becomes 7. 3 will remain in between and this 7 will remain as it is. So your answer will be 737. Let us take another example to understand this. Let's say it's 87 multiplied by 11. So what you do? 8 and 7 you will write like this. 8 plus 7 is 15. So 15 comes in between. But this 1 carries to this 8. So this 8 becomes 9. This 5 remains as it is and this 7 will remain as it is. So the answer is 957. Now, in the same manner, let's try to find another answer. For example, 76 multiplied by 11. So 7 and 6, we should write it over here. 7 plus 6 is 13. So 13 over here, but this one carries over here. So it becomes 836. Now, let's run it quick and try to solve it as soon as possible. So let's take another number. Let's say 95 multiplied by 11. Now 9 plus 5 is what? 14. 14. One of the 14 will carry to 9, so it will become 10. And then the 4 will remain here and the 5 will remain over here. So this is 1045. I hope you all got the answers right. Let's understand the trick to multiply any three-digit number with 11. So let's take an example over here of, let's say, 230. Now, when you multiply 213 by 11, so what are we going to do over here? We are going to write 2 over here and 3 over here, and there will be two blank spaces this time. Once we will add 2 and 1, and in the next case we will add 1 and 3. So 2 plus 1 gives us 3, so we write 3 over here, and 1 plus 3 gives us 4, so we write 4 over here. So the correct answer here will be 2343. Let's take another example to understand this a bit better. Let's say you have a number 546. You have to multiply this by 11. So you write 5 over here, 6 over here, and then two spaces in between. Now you add 5 and 4 first, it gives you 9. Then you add 4 and 6, it gives you 10. Now this is a problem because 10 cannot come over here. So what will you do? Remember from the first trick, the one of this 10 will get carried over here. So this becomes also 10. As a result of which, since this also becomes 10, so this one of here is going to then get carried forward over here. So this becomes 6. So this will become 6. And since the tens one is carried forward, only 0 is remaining. Plus this tens one also got carried forward to this 9, and 9 had become 10. So here also only 0 remains. And this is 6. So the answer comes out to be 6006. Now let's take another example over here. Let's take, for example, 523. Now over here, if you want to multiply it by 11, what you have to do? Follow the same process. You write 5 over here, 3 over here. Then this 523 that is there, first you add 5 and 2, which gives you 7. Then you add 2 and 3, which gives you 5. So the answer will be 5753. Now, can we do it absolutely fast? Let us see that as well. So your next number is 424. If you want to multiply it by 11, then 4 you write here, another 4 over here, 4 plus 2 is 6 and 2 plus 4 is again 6. So 4664 is your answer. Can you do this calculation? 896 multiplied by 11. Try doing it within 2 seconds and write your answers in the comments.